Automatic pneumatic, dual-station heat press machine. Control panel, intelligent instrument and digital display of temperature and time. The readout temperature tolerance of in error within plus or minus 2 degrees. Double upward and downward working tables work in same side to improve productivity and save space. The machine is pneumatically driven, with a pressure of up to 8 kilograms per square centimeter, which can be adjusted at will. Aluminum heating plate. Notice for deformation and heating will be even. Operation demo. Turn on main switch. Turn on the machine. Set the temperature. Set the time. Setting auto delay time. Manual mode. Automatic mode. Time counter when it is on automatic mode. Alert to move reactor pattern if emergency happens. You can press stop button. Place fabric. Place sublimation paper. Start to do heat press. When time comes down to 0, heating plate will go up. Remove the sublimation paper. Process is done.